Hey everyone, welcome back to Pink Girl Shopping. I'm here today at Burlington. It's like back to school time, almost fall, so I really want to see what they have inside. Let's head in. Look at this little back to school section. They have the Levi backpack with the stars, the frozen one with the lunch bag, backpack, all that. This one here, Stitch, comes with like a water bottle thing kind of thing, and this lunch box. And then that one there. That's cute. And here's another frozen. And look at the game controller. Tie-dye with the checker. And here's the child. They have the shark one. And look, they have Champion. Champion backpack with a Champion lunchbox. What else? These Levi's brand backpack. Very nice. And this red one here. Converse brand. So here's a cute bag for $17 by Levi. This Adidas backpack is $25. Look at this Puma backpack with the cheetah print. It's $25. Look at this Hurley backpack for $20 for that. This Puma one here. See how much? $20 for that. This flower one is $25. I don't know who it's by actually. This is weird. The Fuel brand, $17. This cute blue one with a little coin purse with it is $25. I'm not sure on the brand of that. Oh, sorry. Converse brand backpack, big zipper. And here is the Steve Madden bag. Oh, it's so cute. I like it. $35. This one here is also Steve Madden mini backpack. $33. Here's a cute one. The graffiti. I don't know who it's by, and it doesn't have a tag, guys. Sorry. This XOXO one is $20. The Juicy Couture backpack for $25. Here's a Guess one. Let's see how much. $43. This shiny Betsy Johnson. Cute. Reeboks. $15. This backpack for back to school. And a Fila one here. Look at this Betsy Johnson bag with the cat. It's $20. Look at this. That's cute. This handbag's on clearance for $17. Alexis Bendel for $20. Look over here. These look cute. Flower backpacks by Kendall. And there's that one too. Let's see how much they are. They're by Kenzie. And they are $23. The brand is Kenzie. They have DKNY for $60. What else do they have? This Rossetti bag for $15. The Steve Madden backpack. How much? $28. This one here. Look at the Betsy Johnson bag for $20 with the gold chain. Here's a Guess. This Juicy Couture bag here. Look at the backpack. Look at this cute Juicy Couture bag for $25. I think that's really cute. Here's a Betsy Johnson bag. See how much it is. $39.99. There's a Tommy Hilfiger. What's this one? TKNY. $55. This little Juicy Couture bag, $18. $24.99 for Betty Boop and Bebe. What's this one? It says it's vegan. Malibu Sky. Okay. $20. There's one there. Bear in New York. More Juicy Couture backpacks. Here's a little flowery one by NZ. $22.99. The unicorns. Betsy Johnson for $20. What else do we have? Here's one. This is cute. Here's a BB bag with the tide here. How much is it? Someone took the tag off. I don't know. This little bag says like dreams. It's $20 for this little bag. Alright, so here's the women's shoes. I see these Fila slides or whatever for $16. This Tommy Hilfiger sneaker. How about this report shoe? $12. They have this soft one here. It's $20. Chinese laundry heel. $12. What else? These Filas, I actually have these, and they're on sale for $30. So yeah, I actually have those, and they're very cute. These Fila Sandals are no tag. Wow. Let's see. U.S. Polo Association sneakers for $26. This sugar heels with the wedge. $21.99. Do you like these Betsy Johnson flip-flops for jelly? They're really cute. $11 on clearance. Here's the Fila sneakers for $26.99 in pink. Look at these ones. These are so cool. $29.99. They're very cute. Awesome. The CKNY jeans. Look at the floppy brand. $7.99 for these little slippers. The DKNY heels. They're on sale for $23. Sorry about that. Juicy Couture. These are no price on those. The Filas are $15.99. These heels here are I don't know. Here's the Forever heels. These Adidas ones. Look at these Filas. Those are cute. With the platform. Oh, those are really cute. How much are those? $17 on clearance. Guys, seriously? That's $17. That's so good. Alright, and these glittery shoes. Look at these ones by Forever 21. I didn't know they sold Forever 21 here. Well, someone tore the tag off. Sorry about that. And look at the assortment of flip-flops. All the flip-flops. Calvin Klein, Gas, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, Juicy Couture. Check out these little boxes or whatever stuff. I love you every day. The map, the rainbow one. Blessed. What does it look like? Just a box. There's a cheetah print one too. What's over here? Journals. Be still. That's a clipboard. And then keep going, keep growing. Clipboard too. These journals. See notes. Beautiful. And know that I am God. Be still other than God. I'm sorry about that. There's Spanish one. Blessed beyond measure. And these planners. That one says best year ever. Oh, look, all this holographic is so cute. Alright everyone, well I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for regularly updated content and ring the bell to get notified of my upcoming videos. Alright everyone, see you next time.